guys and welcome to my channel. In this video we're talking about amazing tech gadgets for kitchen. But before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more. We all love playing with a good kitchen gadget, especially if there are delicious snacks involved along the way. And every week, new and exciting tools hit the market, making food preparation quicker, easier and more fun. Keep watching to find our list of the best kitchen gadgets out there. Whether you want to master a new culinary style or just jazz up your usual mealtime rituals. Anova Culinary Nano Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Here's how a sous vide works. You vacuum or seal your food, poultry, fish, vegetables, red meat, anything. Then put it in a pot of water along with a device. Select your desired temperature. Then walk away to, cure cancer, solve the Chicago Tylenol, or run for presidency. Then walk back to perfectly done and dusted food. Dwëllza Kitchen Oil Dispenser Set. This oil dispenser set went viral for a reason. It's too good. The oil pump mister or sprayer helps even out the coverage and prevents you from overpouring. Next, the dispenser bottle comes in clutch during those 1 teaspoon of oil or 2 tablespoons of oil recipe moments, and both have a measuring reservoir at the top. Portion control people. Meter plus smart meat thermometer. For the grill master, this smart accessory sticks into your rotisserie chicken or lamb chop and probes the internal temperature, ensuring your every bite thereafter is utterly satisfying and salmonella free. And it's completely wireless, the first of its kind. Beast blender plus hydration system. For those who like blending up fresh produce for creamy smoothies or healthy juices in the morning, or blending up margaritas once returning home from work, this Squirt Gadget Awards winning blender will really blend. A smart speed instinct aside, it's also got an ice-crushing force for your forgotten to defrost ingredients. Vermicular Masui Kamado. If there's ever a 12-in-1 pressure cooker born into old money, it's Vermicular's Masui Kamado. It combines a cast iron craft in the 18-year-old Hajikata family foundry in Japan with precise induction heating. Aarke Carbonator 3. Not many kitchens have a sparkling water or soda maker, and yet we want fizzy carbonated water all the time. The Aarke 3, with a price to match its look, is cordless, easy to use, customizable, and creates subtle, smaller bubbles that won't make you burp. Balmuda Steam Oven Toaster. This is not your average Joe of a toaster oven. It toasts by steaming, cranking out golden baked goods that's crunchy on the outside, yet fluffy and warm on the inside. You won't know what luxury bakery tastes like until you've had a bagel, or pizza or muffin or croissant, or brioche from it. Cruxgg TRNR Double Rotation Waffle Maker. Ghetto Gastro, an activist-minded culinary collective in the Bronx, joined forces with Cruxgg for a line of downright cool kitchen appliances, the coolest of which is the Waffle Maker, which won an Esquire 2021 Home Design Awards. It can bake up to 8 Belgian waffles in just 10 minutes with browning control, indicator lights, dishwasher safety, and a bold design. Those greats to boot. Material: Knife Sharpener. A dull knife is a fox pass in the kitchen. This sleek and simple sharpener keeps your blade of choice as owned as possible without taking much space. Simply run your knife through it a few times and it will come up with a shine, handsome, and ready for slicing a piece of raw Japanese A5 Wagyu steak. Cosori Max XL Air Fryer. We wouldn't be doing our job here if we don't indoctrinate you to the holy church of the air fryer, the most magnificent of all kitchen appliances. Cosori's air fryer pushes for max crispness, sans up to 85% of the oil in fries, nuggets, or any breaded comfort food. It also cooks fast and accurate, courtesy of the automatic temperature adjustment. With it, you're an air fryer guy in the making. Bartesian Premium Cocktail Machine. If you like Keurig's way of brewing coffee from K-Cup pods, easy peasy, then you'll definitely like the Bartesian. It also takes capsule except containing cocktail ingredients whipped by an actual mixologist to mix margaritas or old-fashioneds at home. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. After years of making eggs at 7 a.m., but never quite mastering an egg Sammy, bagel is the key. This sandwich maker will prove both dead useful and well-crafted. It will assemble all your sandwich layers and ready for breakfast in just 5 minutes. Fradel Digital Kitchen Food Scale with Bowl. This scale is crammed full of neat pieces, unit conversion, detachable mixing bowl, 5 measuring mods for your calorie-controlled diet or meticulously prepped recipes. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.